Alright, hey everyone. Today I'm going a nice simple recipe, and the best part about it, it's stuffed with bacon. Can't go wrong with that. So it's going to be a spinach and bacon stuffed chicken. So I'm going to be using boneless chicken thighs, chicken breasts to cut them open and stuff them full of bacon and this fancy little cream cheese spinach dip that's going to be inside of it. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, first you're going to get your boneless chicken breast here. You want to make nice slits going into it. Don't cut all the way through though. You want to have it so there's like a little, I almost went all the way through on that one. Little pockets, because you're going to be stuffing these up, so you don't want to have it go all the way through or else it's going to be pointless. Cut this a little bit deeper. Then you go ahead and put it on the aluminum foil lined baking sheet and season it with salt and pepper. And keep doing that until you have all your chicken ready to go before we go on to the next step. Alright, after you have all your pieces of chicken on the tray all sliced open and salt and pepper seasoning them, get yourself a bowl. You want to get, my assistant's gonna help me here. You want to get 4 ounces of cream cheese and put it in the bowl. Softened cream cheese. Just dump it in there. And put that in the sink. Get a 1/3 cup artichoke hearts, cut up. You want to get 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella. And save another 1/2 for later. And you're going to put about 1 cup of spinach into it. Go ahead. And then salt and pepper. Just as much as you want it to taste. There's no, it's up to you on that one. Go ahead and mix it all up to make this nice little creamy, cheesy mixture, and it's gonna be all yummy and stuff. Maybe, if it wants to cooperate. All right, it's looking good. See?
Ooh, it's really bad. I'm gonna eat all of it.
All right, and then go ahead and slide your chicken on over. So probably the easiest thing to do is get your bacon. You're gonna get like 4 slices of bacon and cut it into small pieces and put it in every other slot. I'm gonna put 1 piece in every other slot for right now, and if I have more, I'll stuff more in each slot. So make sure I have enough for all of it. Oops, every other slot.
That's tough.
Let's see, boom, boom. I think this is when I put the most amount of cuts in. Maybe not. Maybe it's the same as all the other ones. Oh, that's a small piece. I'll use 2 of these pieces then, so, because it's small pieces. Get in there! Alright. And then you're going to take your little mixture you just made with the cream cheese, and you're going to gloop that into the other slots. It's okay if it's a little messy. It's going to cook all through and make it nice and yummy. If you want to. Only the slots that don't have bacon in it.
Oh, okay.
It's going to be a little bit messy, but that's the good part. It's fun getting messy in the kitchen.
Yeah. There's not a second slide.
Oh, oops.
One in.
Here. I didn't realize I put it in that slot. Right there on the end. Come on, get in there.
I'm gonna eat this.
I mean, that's the whole point. It's a recipe, so. Mine doesn't look pretty, but it's gonna be really yummy.
I like this.
Why you get in my way? Alright, so double check, make sure you got all the pieces. I'm gonna need some over here for this one when we're done, so let's keep it here. Go ahead and wash your hands, because, you know, it's gonna be a little bit difficult to do the rest of this stuff. All right. Then you're going to go ahead and drizzle, get your other half cup of shredded mozzarella and sprinkle that on top.
That's good.
Oops.
Okay, I'm gonna eat all of it.
I need a little bit more, so I got still some from my bag over here. All right, and then you're going to get some extra virgin olive oil and just drizzle a little bit on top. I don't have a little fancy drizzling thing, which I need to invest in, so it's gonna be gentle. Might be more than required, but you're gonna want like a tablespoon of oil on here. Or however much you want. It's your recipe, so have fun with it. All right, and then you will stick this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. That's 35 minutes. And hopefully don't burn yourself, because that would be bad. All right, and then I will see you guys when it's all done. All right, my timer is up. Let's go ahead and take a look at this yummy food. So, got hit with a big old wall of heat. I need both sides for this. Oops. Oh yeah. There you go. If you feel like you want to cook it a little bit longer just to make sure you do it, I'm actually going to cut into mine real quick to see. If I get cut into the big one to see, make sure it cooked all the way through, but it should be good. These pieces are a little bit bigger than I was expecting. Looks like it's cooked all the way through on here. So there you have it. Nice yummy meal. It's going to be nice and creamy with that cream cheese mixture in the middle, and then you have nice crisp bacon on it. It's going to be so freaking good mixing the flavors together. I might put it with like a side of rice or a side of noodles. I'm not sure yet. But there you go. And there you go. I made some little orzo with it and some green beans just to have a little vegetation in there. Look how nice and yummy that looks. So good. And there you have it. So if you like this recipe, please hit the subscribe button down below along with the little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. I try to post videos every single week on food related, mostly recipes, but sometimes like unboxings and stuff like that. Anyway, I'll also be putting little cards up in the corner letting you know about other videos you can check out in mine, or you can go to my playlist that has a bunch of simple recipes in it. I have one for curry lovers, one for potato lovers, and just basic beginner recipes. Either way, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, the little bell down below, and a little thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any comments that you want to let me know about, whether you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video, any kind of recipes or other videos you'd like to see, please drop in the comments down below, and I will try to make it happen. Alright, see you around.